Legal proceedings have begun in Sydney in a bid to stop the deportation of a failed Afghan asylum seeker, the first under a deal between Australia and Afghanistan. Ismail Mirza Jan briefly left the Villawood Immigration Detention Centre today as his lawyers filed an interim injunction in the Federal Magistrates Court. The claim to stay in Australia is based on a number of arguments, but the main one is questioning the validity of a Memorandum of Understanding signed in January between Australia and Afghanistan. The Australian government says the deal allows Mr Mirza Jan's deportation, but his supporters say that that is still in doubt.
We've got such very strong comments from Afghan ministers and Afghan government representatives saying that the Memorandum of Agreement does not accept forcible removals, yet the Australian government is insisting that this is the case. We haven't got the answers to those things yet, but serious questions have been addressed. We'll see what the court has to say.
Lawyers for the Immigration Minister say the arguments against Ismail Mirza Jan's removal are speculative, without evidence and based on incomplete media reports. They also say that stopping the deportation to Afghanistan on Saturday would be highly inconvenient, as bookings worth more than $30,000 have already been made.